Hello, welcome back. I'm Teacher Neo with English Teacher Neo, and I am with my friend in her car. We are getting ready to go through a car wash to kind of show you what it's like to go through a car wash. So let's look what we have here. So there are signs letting you know what you need to do and some of the responsible for damages type thing. They're not responsible for damages, so please pull in all power running boards and mirrors before entry. So you come up and off to the side here, you see a sign and it kind of gives you prices. So you have MVP and Elite, VIP, and Rookie. Rookie is the cheapest, MVP is the most expensive, and they have different things of what they do to wash your vehicle. So, what do you usually use?
I use I use the VIP.
Okay. The VIP, it's $16, but you have a membership here. And so, how much was the membership here?
Membership is $30 a month, and I can get all of the car washes that I want all month long, anytime.
Okay, so there's no limit.
Correct.
All right. So right here, she is grabbing a towel. It's a little wet to be able to clean the dashboard. And so she's just wiping things down. It might get dusty in your vehicle, so this is a good thing to have. And since it's a little wet, it helps to clean off some of the dust. So we wait in line. As you can see, there are a lot of cars in line. We are behind this truck right here. Today is a nice sunny day, and so it does get busy. This isn't as busy as it's ever been, but it does get busy on nice sunny days. As you can see, before you go into the car wash, there is usually a person that stands out here. They spray your vehicle to kind of get off any grime or whatever. It's just kind of a pre-rinse type of thing. And then they tell you to come on up. And really the spray is supposed to get off like any bug particles and stuff. There is a little box right here for donations if you want to put a donation in. And then there is a sign there for more that the same information as before. Then as you come up, you need to get your wheel in line with the metal frame that's down below, and they will let you know if you need to go left or right, or if you need to just go on straight. And then they tell you what you need to do. So the guy is telling us to go straight, to keep coming, and then he's going to tell us to stop. And now we stop. And now you need to put your car in neutral, foot off the brake, hands off the wheel. I don't know what that bottom one said.
Wipers turned off.
Oh, and the wipers turned off. You don't want your wipers broken off at all. So we come through here and the soap is coming on. And you can see the brushes up there. That's what washes your car. And then you can see over here, it's rubbing against the car to wash it. And there's more soap, different colored soap, and then kind of like big mop rags coming across the top. And as you're going through, you can smell the soap. You can smell the scent of it. And here are some more. It's rotating around. And again, cleaning the front. Not sure what that is, but you can see the water is being rinsed on it. So the car is getting rinsed off with water. And now there's going to be a stream of water. Sometimes it's kind of a wax or something just to keep your car clean. The sign says, if the car in front of you fails to pull forward, please honk horn. And they are gone. Now we're going to go through the blow dryer, basically. You can see that the little blow dryers are air drying. Yes, it is loud for sure. So it is air drying.
Stopped.
So you probably need to push it.
The whole thing is stopped on my house.
Oh. Interesting.
It's okay. We'll dry it off then.
Yeah, exactly. For sure. So we are stuck right here for a moment because they stopped the rotating. And the car is getting a good blow dry. It will be dry, very dry. That would have been really weird if we got stopped back there. It's kind of nice that we're the last one up here. All right, we are stuck here for a moment. This has never happened to me before. So, this is very interesting. You all got to see something that's new to me. All right, up above though, in the front right here, it's kind of hard to see. There is a place to return the towel. And right over here, this is the sign. It says wait, go. So you have to wait until it shows green to go. And then off to the right, there are free vacuums, meaning that you can go off to the right and you can vacuum your car. So if the inside of your car is dirty on the floorboards, then you can use that to vacuum. And there are trash cans over there you can throw away any trash as well. We are going to wait until they keep pushing us through, I guess.
Kind of thinking about going.
I know, I would. I totally would.
I heard their little, they have like a bell that rings. So
Yeah.
I thought it was going to kick in.
I would think that you're okay to go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, you're fine. Okay, so we're going to return the towel.
I'm going to pull in.
Oh, you're going to pull in?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really wet in the back since we didn't finish drying. I'll wipe down the
Okay.
window.
We just went ahead and drove on out instead of waiting. Usually you wait, but we're the last ones in there, so we might as well just go ahead and drive through. So this is where you can come to vacuum your car. You can return the towel. So hope you enjoyed this little video of going through a car wash here in the United States. We're going to get out and dry off the rest of the car, and be sure to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next one.